Pretty girl storm, I saw your bad. Come here, little pretty girl. Jiggle your body, you look good in that the migo girl. Hey, watching a man Esco the Shaka this from Jamaica representing for pretty girls.
No money. I'm broke as fucking ever. I don't have no money. I don't have no money. I don't have no money. I don't have no oh. I don't have no oh. I'm broke. I'm disabled. I'm a madman. I'm a blood clot madman. What me I tell you? Don't act like you can be blood clot style. You're going to like trying to disrespect people. I'm not blood clot trouble people, you know. People not trouble me, you know. I don't give a fuck about people, you know. I don't give a fuck about people, but what me I gonna do now? Me I gonna delete all of them blood clot fake page, yeah? All of these fake page. Me not even fuck upon nobody like because it not put money in my pocket. I want somebody give me put money in my pocket. I'm a man put money in my pocket. Barry, don't act like you're being slide. Barry, stop act slide because I never fuck with you. I don't care if you're joking. What this joke is that to me? I don't care if you're joking, innit? I don't give a fuck if you're joking because I'm not afraid of nobody. Where you gonna cost me about my pussy? Barry, where you gonna cost me about my pussy? The last time I checked my sleep comfortable. My sleep comfortable, Barry. Barry, the last time I checked my sleep comfortable, I'm in a one comfortable house. I'm in a one fucking house. I'm sleep comfortably at night. I don't give a fuck about social media. Do I give a fuck about social media? I don't give a fuck about social media. Do I give a fuck about social media? But them say, you see when you mix with dogs, you ride with fleas. You see if me never entertain you and a come for your life, the disrespect wouldn't get dropped in of it, innit? If me never listen to you, yeah, if me never listen to you, the disrespectful wouldn't jump into it. I don't care if you're joking. I don't care if you're running a joke or you're serious. Me take that personal. I take it fucking personal, innit? I take it personal. Me take it personal. I don't give a fuck cause all you gonna do, you gonna bring me down. Where you gonna bring me down with? About my pussy? Eh? Where you gonna bring me about my pussy? Tell me where you gonna bring me about the pussy. The last time I check me I spend that one money. The last time I check, I'm sleeping in my own bed. The last time I check, I'm alright. Where you gonna bring me down with? Tell me where you gonna bring me down with. Tell me where you gonna bring me down with. Tell me. Tell me what you're gonna bring me down with, Barry. I don't care if you're joking or not. I don't give a fuck if you're joking. My tech thing fucking serious. My tech certain things serious. That's why every time when blood clot Red Bull talk, I go talk her come take certain things what she said, I take blood clot serious. First of all, Red Bull don't know me. First of all, the last time I fucking check, you're talking about I'm fucking disabled. What do you mean I'm fucking disabled? Tell me what you mean I'm disabled. Tell me. Tell me what you mean I'm disabled. Tell me. Tell me what you mean I'm a handicap. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Eh? Tell me. If you run joke, tell me what you mean I'm disabled. Tell me I'm handicapped and I will come back to you. even my mom can talk to me like that. Not even my mom can speak to me like that. Eh? Hmm? For my only jump for myself. I'm a kid. I don't jump for nobody at all. What you saying, Barry? Where you gonna cuss me and tell me no? Tonight you like my block you off from my page. What did I do to you? Did I mix you up? Did I go in anybody inbox and trying to disrespect you? Hmm? Huh? Should I? Okay. If I call you tomorrow and said, oh, I'm sending you £100. I'm your friend tomorrow. But no, I'm your worst friend. No, I'm your worst friend, innit? Shut down this internet. Shut down the next page and the old page. I'm gonna do. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to shut it down. That's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do. Oh, I hate this fucking internet. Did I fuck with you? Tell me if I fuck with you. Tell me. Tell me if I fuck with you. I don't give a fuck if you want to go for live or rub me. Hey, Barry, I don't give a fuck if you want to go for live. I don't watch your live. I don't give a fuck if you want to go for live, Barry. Barry, I don't give a fuck if you want to go for live or rub me. Where you gonna rub me about? Tell me where you gonna rub me about. Tell me, Barry. Tell me where you gonna rub me about, Barry. Tell me where you gonna rub me about. Tell me where you gonna rub me about and say, fuck me. My pussy stink. Okay, my pussy stink. Where you gonna rub me and tell me now? Baby, tell me where you gonna rub me and tell me. Literally, tell me what you gonna rub me and tell me. Tell me. Barry. I never fuck with you, you know? I don't fuck with people, you know? People don't fuck with me, no? I never fuck with you, you know, Barry? Barry, I never fuck with you, you know? I block you off on my next page. But me still have you on my next on the page, yeah? I never fuck with you. Cause you know why I'm block you off on my next page? Cause secure is better than cure. That's why I'm block you off on my next page. Where you gonna cuss me and tell me, Barry? Literally, where you gonna cuss me and tell me? Barry, where you gonna cuss me and tell me, Barry? Where puss cuss me and tell me? Are that you gonna cuss me and tell me? Where can you cuss me and tell me? Tell me. Tell me where you gonna cuss me and tell me. You need to get off my life. Seriously, you're typing too much. Get the fuck off my life. Why you block this bitch? Wait, what you say? Wait, hold on. You need to get off my life. I don't know none of you lot. Get the fuck off my life. Get off my life. Nobody not tell me what for do, cause I know you in my disrespect, and me my blood clot disrespect. I never trouble the little boy. I never care if Candy and Diary think it's joke. What is joke is dead to me. My take thing very serious. I don't give a fuck if Candy think it's jokes. Candy might think it's joke, but it's dead to me, innit? Or Diary think it's joke. Or I should've come to live and argue. But I know you have blood clot feeling, Candy or Diary, and me have blood clot feeling. When say about me, cause to the end of the day, I never trouble him. I never on the page. I never on here listen to the for the whole day. Diary has every request. I never answer. I never want to go on the live. But why I try disrespect disrespect me. What did I do to you? Tell me what did I do to you, Mary. Tell me. What did I do to you? And then people gonna say, oh, me this or me that or me this. I'm in no team with nobody. I'm team alone. I'm in no team with nobody. I stand alone. Because you see when people rub me, and me have to rub them back. I'm no team. I'm with no team. I stand alone. I'm in no team. If Red Boot are war with me have to take off my shoes and war with her. Anybody are war with me have to war with them back. What you gonna cuss me and tell me? But I'm handicapped. But me's a handicap and you treat me or you're supposed to treat me. Berry, how you treat me? Tell me how you treat me. Now, I block you off of my main page, off of the next page. So how you treat me, Berry? I block you for a reason. So how you treat me? I go in nobody inbox and chat to nobody? Eh? I type your name up to nobody? I try to ignore everyone I don't know. So how you, me's a weak fence. I just want for them, me's a weak fence. And me's a pussy. Where you gonna go by your life and cuss me and say about my pussy? Where you gonna cuss me and tell me about my pussy? Where you gonna cuss me and tell me about? Where Red Bull cuss me and tell me? Where Red Bull cuss me and tell me? I'm not homeless. I'm not homeless. I live in a fucking council property. So, what you tell me, Berry? My own property. 3 years time from now, I can buy it. What are you telling me? And 3 years time from this note, next year I have to come off the internet because if I stop, get a job, I'll go buy my property. Where you cuss me? So you don't need to cuss me back again. Because I want to try to buy the property where fret them say I live in our one room. I'm supposed to live in our room. At least I have ambition. And it's my name because it's a council property. I'm not even a private. Why you cussing me and telling me, Berry? Tell me where you gonna cuss me and tell me now. My pussy this or my pussy that? Oh, Berry, if me call you now tomorrow and say, Berry, I'm only joking, man. I was just going on the internet just doing that. I'm sorry. See, £100 there. You would have taken the £100. In it. In it. In it. You would have taken the £100 in it, Berry. In it, you would have taken the £100 in it. I don't care if he was if you not think he was, if you not, remember say I diary live, you know. Remember say I diary and a diary in my disrespect, or candy in my disrespect, you know. So if me think he might disrespect me, I have all fucking rights, yeah, for talking it. Because who feels it fucking knows it, innit? So if diary and candy think that's okay for them, that's fine, but I don't think it's okay for me. I'm taking blood clot personal. That's why I'm always tell me I'm taking personal. And I'm two-faced, and I'm this and I'm that. I'm two-faced. I'm not gonna say I'm two-faced. I don't get in people like that. I don't get in people like that. Where you gonna cuss me and tell me about? What Tanya tell me every day? What Tanya tell me every day could have stay? Where you gonna tell me what? Where you gonna cuss me and tell me? I have more than what Tanya have. Where you gonna cuss me and tell me now? Eh? The greatest she cuss me and tell me about my kids. My kids is alright. I speak to my kids every day. I see my kids when I want to see my kids. So what the fuck you gonna cuss me and tell me now? Tell me what you gonna cuss me and tell me. Tell me where you gonna cuss me and tell me. Dari, stop me gonna class you upon your blood clot live and say, Dari, move your look up blood clot self because you're handicapped. And if my class you and tell you you're blood clot handicapped, I can't cuss you every time on the live and tell you you're handicapped and you have to come back to me. Dari, tell me the truth. How would you feel? How would you feel, Dari? And you never do nothing to me. How would you feel? Tell me how would you feel? At Christmas, no, you know, so people do anything for money, you know. This is why I'm taking myself away from the situation. And what I'm going to do after tonight, tell me how would you feel, Diary? Diary is okay, Diary. It's okay. You don't need to tell me nothing. It's cool. It's not you. It's good. You don't need to tell me nothing, Diary. It's good. You're not gonna try to disrespect me. I never fuck with you. Diary's been I'm on the line for 5 fucking hours. Diary was sending me a request 3 times. And I said no. I don't want to go on the live. Pan Diary live. I don't want to go on it. But suddenly they put you on the live, yeah? You're starting on me. What are you starting on me for? What did I do to you? Tell me what did I do to you? Did I trouble you? Tell me if I fucking trouble you. Tell me. Where you gonna cuss me and tell me? You can't turn on your live and cuss me and tell me I'm a pussy stink. Me live somewhere comfortable no blood clot and clean no blood clot. Where you gonna cuss me and tell me I have a dirty blood clot money? I mean, I'm 30 something. Where you gonna cuss me and tell me that, Barry? Where you gonna cuss me and tell me? Where you gonna cuss me and tell me, Barry? Tell me. You know, it's from morning. Me I try focus. And me I said to myself, you know, so me I get up in an age. Couple months from now, load this internet baka. Yo.
Yo.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah.
You finish work?
No.
Huh?
What's up?
What's up? Nothing up. Oh, you don't say so up. Pardon?
What are you doing?
Trying to come off of social media. That me ever do. Now try to come off of social media for good. Pardon? What you mean what happened? Nothing happened.
Oh, that's really cool.
But you know say something happened. You know me too much, man. Me I call you back because I'm on live. I'll call you back. Yeah?
Alright.
I'll call you back when you finish work. I'll call you back what time though? I'll call you back at the hour and a half.
Okay.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Barry, look. Barry, look. Look, Barry. A Jamaica, I want to go for a holiday, Barry. I'm a ticket I want to buy for go Jamaica. What are you saying to me, Barry? I can never hungry, Barry. What are you saying? Hey, Barry, I can never hungry. Barry, what are you saying? I'm a ticket me I go Jamaica for Christmas. What are you saying? Barry, what are you saying? Barry, what are you saying? I'm a ticket me I go buy for go Jamaica Christmas. What are you saying, Barry? I'm never hungry. My man look out for me very fucking good. What are you saying, Barry? Don't try disrespect me because I never try disrespect you. Yeah? Don't try disrespect me because I never try disrespect you. I try avoid you. I avoid you for 4 weeks now. I buy this internet bagger because it now put none of that in my pocket. It just a drain my energy. Me I get old dog. Don't try drain my energy. Cause me never go back and forth or argue with nobody. And first of all, I don't know none of you lot.